To create acronyms on your computer, PC or Mac, you need to have the Microsoft Office product on there. That means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so forth and so on. You're going to go into File. We're going to go down into Options, into Autocorrect Feature. Once again, Autocorrect Options, and literally type in the acronym that you want. I will put in KL for my client, Karen Long. When I add, it will allow me to add it into the dictionary, which now I can click OK, OK, and one more time OK. And next time I do KL and the space bar or enter, it will automatically come up with Karen Long. You of course can do this with any word, set of words, or even a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and put in NAR9 and it will come up with a sentence there. Do this with as many acronyms as you want because it works and it is phenomenal what you can do. By the way, Microsoft and Apple put automatic words in there for us that we often misspell, such as the, such as believe, or anything else. Now we can go ahead and put in Realtor, which will automatically change it to the Realtor with the registered trademark. To get the registered trademark, you're going to go ahead in the open parenthesis button, the R, and then open parentheses, and that will allow you to create that there. Once again, because this goes over into all Microsoft products, it will cross-pollinate. Once you put it in one product, it will go into the other one as well.